It's Marlene Boyle from REMAX Rouge River Realty. Today we are in downtown Bowmanville at GillCo Electronics. Let's go in and talk to the owner, Gerry, to see what he has to offer. Come on in. So this is Gerry. He's the owner of GillCo Electronics. Gerry, how long have you been in Bowmanville?
We've been in Bowmanville since 1993.
Wow. And what do you have to offer your clients?
We do electronic repair service on televisions, tablets, computers, cell phones, stereos, microwaves. Anything you can plug in the wall in your house, we pretty much do.
So if you have something that you need fixed, you can bring it on down to Gerry and he'll fix it for you. Gerry, I understand that you do co-ops. You take in co-op students. Can you explain a little bit about that program?
We've been doing that since 1999.
Okay.
And every fall we take in 1 or 2 students, and in the new year we take in another 1 or 2 students.
Okay.
And then the best part about it is in the summertime we hire one through the summer.
Wow. Perfect.
So, you know, it's great opportunities, it's hands-on experience, so they gain so much knowledge.
Okay. Gerry, do you also sell products in your store?
Yes, we do. We sell refurbished laptops, refurbished televisions, sometimes refurbished stereos.
Okay.
And we also sell parts.
Okay.
So if someone's looking to get parts to fix their own TV or stereo, we sell that as well.
Okay, that's good to know. So I just want to thank you, Gerry, for meeting with us today and telling us about your business. And thank you very much for watching this version of Community Clips. And stop on by to see Gerry at GillCo Electronics in downtown Bowmanville. Have a great day.